Good evening, teacher. My name is Anna Wamani. I am studying psychology at Continental University. Today I'm talking about interculturality. Introduction. According to UNESCO 2017, interculturality refers to the presence and equitable interaction of different cultures and the possibility of generating shared cultural expression through dialogue and mutual respect. What is the importance? Interculturality is of vital importance because it guarantees coexistence between different cultures. Respecting each one of them, it doesn't put any culture above the others, since they are all on an equal footing without additional conditions. My first case is interculturality and tourism. Community tourism contributes to ensure that the cultural diversity of each town isn't lost, but remains valid, demonstrating at the same time that they are living thoughts and managers of their own identity through an autonomous systems that for them has been an organization mechanism. For example, in Puerto Maldonado, we have many native communities that supports themselves from tourism. Community tourism has allowed these communities to integrate into the local economy. In Puerto Maldonado, we held an event called Cine Doendari. It's in Ceja. My town's party. In this event, the participation of native communities of the jungle, of the coast, and mountains. In these activities, people hold events to reevaluate their culture, dances, demonstration of agriculture, hunting, fishing, and handicraft are held, allowing both local and foreign visitors to learn about new cultures. Thus I promote respect and appreciation of all cultures. Peru is a multicultural country. However, our differences have separated us from each other because of the color of our skins, because of the language, because of the way we speak, among other things. They have been reasons for exclusion, giving way to racism as a problem that generates inequality and violence in our country. Understanding interculturality allows to respect each other between our countries, our cultures, because diversity is what unites us. Finally, interculturality allows us to respect each other among all cultures without believing that one culture is better than the other, allowing equality among all. Xenophobia, racism, discrimination are social actions that cause disunity, inequality, hatred, contrary to interculturality. It's all, Miss. Thank you so much.